movement of the 5 optimal movements. So, this is the famous Vitruvian man from Leonardo da Vinci's teacher, Vitruvius. So Leonardo da Vinci has this very famous pose where he stands like a 5-pointed star. And what Leonardo did through his life was to understand the human body, the skeleton and all the internals by dissecting humans. He was one of the first who really understood the human body and how everything is connected and works together. So in this posture where he stands like this, right? And like that. So two human bodies on top of each other, right? So we have that picture. Now, what it comes down to is that we are all made with the same Fibonacci code, the golden mean, which means that every part of our system, every part of the body that is movable has the same mathematical term, right? So that's why when we do yoga, we can do the same movements, same exercises, either if we're short or tall or wide or whatever, it's the same movements that is made for us. So here we will do yin and yang. So first a 5-pointed star by just reaching the highest level gently, not squeeze, just gently up there. Come down to the relaxed position, and from there out, turn, come in, come down, put those stars down to the floor, and up and meet at the chest, right? So that was the yin movement. Now, what we want to do is to understand how our posture is. So the vertebrae along the spine, and then how we connect up here to the shoulders. And when we do this in a yang movement, so now we press. So now we come into bodybuilding's knowledge of flexing, right? Flex, 3, 2, 1, relax. Flex, 3, 2, 1, relax. Flex, 3, 2, 1, relax. And now here I can feel how I'm out of alignment in my shoulder area. 3, 2, 1, relax. And what I will do here is I will press in and flex my tummy as well, like this. 3, 2, 1, relax. And then we press down the shoulders and arms and come up with the chest. 3, 2, 1, relax. Come round and in. 3, 2, 1, relax. And here. 3, 2, 1, relax. Okay, so what we want to do is to do this in many varieties and loosen up in between, because once you have really, flexed your muscles and got tight, you need to loosen up. So then it's really good to go back to the first 3 fundamental movements to do just, light up and down. Like 3. Because we want to lift ourselves up to move ourselves in the highest possible way. So when we're in that position and we do this, you're going to feel how it starts to click together, and suddenly, after some time, you're going to feel, the left and right are symmetrical. Now I feel when I flex, it's symmetrical, finally. And that is what we're looking for, right? So, another movement is the left and right turn, which is super important because that opens up everything that is holding us tight. So we just do some nice turns. And rolls. And now I do it again. First, light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that was yin, now yang. And here you can choose if you want to stand like that or like this. Now I have the mic here, so I'm just going to move that a little bit, right? So you can hold at the side. So we push our shoulders forward and our pelvis forward and really strengthen our tummy. So this is like Bruce Lee exercise to really get super hard and symmetrical. Come up again, and now up with your chest, shoulders back, and flex down. And here is a fantastic position, when you're in that position, to go around with your rotator cuffs from front to side to back. And now I felt I needed to do that twist here because that was holding me from rotating my left and right to its full. So now, like that, yeah, much better than the first round. Okay, so now I continue where I was. So I was there, come down, middle, and squeeze here. Relax and come up, and again, flex. Great. And I just ground myself by taking my hands around my body to really ground. So that was just a short introduction of this first optimal yin and yang movement. So we use the yin energy and the yang energy, creating a star around us in our aura, in our field, plus going inside to our skeleton and the muscles to feel where it's out of alignment, and by flexing and relaxing and moving, we correct ourselves, we get in a much better position. All right. So that was that. Try it, test it out, play with it, and I will be back in another video very short.